the land, the site where we plan to build Light of Hope Kimbilio project. Kimbilio project has two phases. We have a vocational and technical school, and we have a rescue and recovery center for girls and women who face gender-based violence. The whole concept of this project is to give job opportunities to the young people and women, because the number is too high for those who are seeking job and there is no job. They have no skills, so they cannot be employed. So the vocational and technical school is to give young people opportunities to gain skills that can be employed. They can also employ themselves. If we train you on fashion and design or tailoring, we will have a resource center where you can do the same. You can practice your skills at the same school by making uniforms, making clothes. When we train you leather work, you can do leather shoes and sell to the schools, sell to the community. Yeah, the causes of gender-based violence is on extreme poverty. Families with extreme poverty is where, at least to make sure these women, they can be safe, they can recover, and at the same time, we can offer them skills which they can go start their own job or can get employed their life. But in cases where the women cannot go back to their own family where they came from, we plan to be able to employ them from the technical school or from the project, so that they can earn small money and save. They can get a piece of land where they can settle their children in peace. So the project for chicken is a startup project which will also enable us to support girls with sanitary pads and reusable sanitary pads, which we intend the women to be making from the technical school after they get the training of tailoring, sewing, and the fashion and design. So that they can be able to have food, so that they don't need to buy food. They need to make their own food from the land. They need to do a small pond to tap water through rain harvest. We harvest the water. We get from a dam far away, like these are pawpaw seedlings. This is machungwa, orange.
Okay.
We have done the farming. I spend a lot of money, but that's why we to dig. This year we dig and put the new soil, the red soil with manure. Because now we have to see it. The boundary is there. So everything will be in-house to do, and we have enough space for that. So what we are looking for is for people to come on board so that we can work together for this great vision and this great project, which will change this community forever. I lost my mom when I was 7 years, and that time the people you expect to help you did not come to help you, and our family was for 7 children. So it was very tough for my father to take care of us alone. It's because most of the young people, they come from extreme poverty families, and some are orphans. Some of them don't get education. They don't get basic needs to provide them with education. Making life, we believe, is getting education. Because when you have education, you can do a lot. There is a lot of opportunities because you are educated. So I don't want them to go through what we went through. I would love to see them having a different life with opportunities where they can also get job and uplift their families, help their families get out of poverty.